that black line there, those are fish right there. 21 feet of water. So I'm dragging a brush hog right down on the bottom right there, because I believe that those fish got sunny, hot, and now they're moving out into deeper water. And you can see that I jumped into 24. There's one right there. See that black line, guys? Those are all fish right there. So I'm just bumping the bottom, kind of do a little bit of shake. They're even out here in 21. That's a good picture of that. Bump, 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 and bump back. Okay, Dave, I'm on.
It's on, huh?
Now this is coming out of a little bit deeper water, 21 feet, so I'm gonna reel him up slow. Feels heavy. Feels like he's a little bit better. He's coming up. Oh yeah, look at that. Good color on these things, look at. You want to grab that net, Andy, and just slide into the hook's just right on the end of his mouth. And he ate my brush. Oh, good job. So we'll go ahead and process this one. And whoops, easy, bud.
Yeah.
I'll turn the boat the other way so the wind just blows us out. Let me grab this, and I'll just.
All right. Get a vial.
Boy, going down. We're going to process this one, even though we have something close, but it's a nice size fish. I don't think we have one this size.
No.
So we're looking at 16 and a half. 16 and a half. Number 5.
Yep.
We just got the one you caught on a drop shot, and we're going to guess that the weight on this is going to be 2 something. So the board says 16 and a half should weigh 2 pounds and 4 or 5 ounces.
Hook him up. It's all cleared and ready to go.
Ready? Yep. You see that side? 2, 1, 2, 2, and 7/8. So it's gonna. We'll call it 2, 2, because it's right under.
2 pounds, just 2 ounces.
2 pounds, 2 ounces. So 2 pounds, 2. 2 pounds, 2 ounces. ROOS 5.
Okay.
So little fin there.
Clip.
Yep, he's got just a little trim on his fin, not much. I mean, boy, Andy just clips off just a tiny bit of that. And that's gonna be the DNA sample. So caught that on a watermelon candy. Get a few breaths, there he goes. He is gone. There's a strike. Oh my gosh. This has got some weight to it. Holy mackerel, he's running way out. Way out in the lake to deep water. Back my drag off.
It's a good thing you cleaned up that nick you had.
Oh yeah.
Is that the same one?
Oh yeah, there's what we're looking for.
There it is.
There.
Good one, Gary.
That's a good one. Look at that.
Yeah. Beaut.
Oh yeah. Now that's should be in the 3 pound class at least.
Yeah.
Maybe a little more.
I think that's 4.
That's
yeah, right in there. Yeah.
That one may not have spawned yet. You know that?
May not. May not.
I'm gonna unhook this fish real carefully.
Beautiful.
I like to be real careful when I'm unhooking them.
Yeah.
Make sure they have. Okay, let's process
Let's measure
this one.
that.
That's what we needed.
That's what we needed.
We may have to stay a little
That's
longer.
a good,
So
super good fish right
that's
there.
a beautiful bass. Nice fat one, man. So we're looking at 18.
Whew, so I'm telling you, he's knocking on the 4.
18 and a quarter. Just a hair bigger than that. So that's number 6.
Number
18
6.
and a quarter. Okay, baby, go up to about 3 something. 3, not 23. It showed 3 for a little bit. We're gonna have to let it recalibrate. It's 0.
It's 0.3.
Oh, almost 3.6.
Nice.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
3.6. 2 pounds, 6 ounces. And that's R006.
Yep.
All right, so this would be a good specimen.
This is perfect.
This is what we want.
This is definitely what we want. We're just going to take the first little bit off of there.
Right. And then after you get that in, I'm going to have you shoot a picture. Got it?
Got it.
All right.
All right.
Number 6 in the bag. Grab that right there and shoot that real quick.
All right.
Still picture, and then we'll let this baby go. Nice fish. Yes.
Right there.
Quality. All right, we're going to let him go. Give him a little bit of air. Boy.
Nice fish.
Woo. This is good.
This is good stuff, Gary.
I know it.
He's
Okay,
peeling,
we got
he's
another
peeling
fish
line
on.
off.
All right.
I think we got another one of these threes.
What a way to test fishing.
Yeah.
A hard day at work.
I'm telling you what.
I'm telling you. I don't know how big he is. He's good size.
He's about the size
he's
you had.
bending you over pretty good. Yep, there he goes. Yeah, oh, he's not quite as big as the other one, but he's a nice size one. Strong, aren't they?
Yeah, it's very strong.
This is what I was telling you about how strong these fish are. They don't give up.
They don't.
Look at that.
Here, we'll bring
And that's a
bring his head right to you.
That's a trait of the Floridas.
Yep, there you go. Nice.
That's a good one.
That's a good one.
Not as big
Probably
as the
not
last
three.
one, but you know what?
It's good in two and a half, maybe.
Yeah.
Woo. Nice.
Well, that was a fight, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
That's beautiful.
We got a bleeder.
Got him in the.
Okay. You just had him in the tongue, but sometimes that tongue. Yeah, he's still.
Let's get him clipped real quick and
Yeah.
get him laid. Here, oh, okay.
Yeah, what do they do with it?
You want to
There it
measure?
is.
Okay. All right.
Boy.
Oops.
Boy, you'd think that, because he wasn't clipped in the, just in the tongue. So we'll get a measurement on him just real quick. We're looking at 16 and a half. And I think he's done bleeding now. Can you grab that? Whoops. See if you can get a measurement on that.
No. Oh,
Nope.
go.
You get it?
Nope.
Yeah, sometimes you might have to readjust that,
Yeah.
Did he come up?
No, that didn't.
110. He read 110 before it. The battery's probably going down on this.
Well, you know he's
110 and 111.
You know he's more than that.
Yeah, he's.
You got an extra.
Okay, ready? 111. What was the last one I did at that?
It was 3 pounds.
Yeah. 16 and a half, our other one was, our 16 and a half was 211, so
Yeah.
so that's petering out. So he's the same thing, 211, 16 and a half inches. So,
I'd say that, yeah.
because it was just reading 111.
We got another
good one.
good one on the.
Oh, he might be a little bit bigger. David's stepping on the net, so I'm going to have to reach over and grab this one.
Woo, nice.
Those are nice fish, aren't they? They fight hard.
I like it.
Look at that one. You'd have never got rid of that one. Look at that.
For once, I hit that good.
You hit him hard. Boy, I'll tell you,
Plier right there, right here.
that one's going to need some hook removal.
Some surgery. Hey, you've been telling me.
I don't have a problem.
Make sure you set the hook. Yeah.
Nice, healthy
Yeah,
fish.
he's got a little learny on him.
You think we need that one or
Probably
not?
not.
Probably
No.
not on this one?
He's right in that same class we've been hitting.
Look
so,
at that, beautiful fish. Look how fat they are.
He's barely 2, if that.
Yeah,
You know. Yep.
yeah, he probably is pretty close to
Beautiful fish. But man, they fight hard.
Oh,
Good.
look at this.
Woo. Fish on.
Fish on.
Gary's hooked up.
Fish on, boys. I'm hooked up. Whoa.
Let's get that. Let's get that in the net. Man, these
Well,
little.
when they pull like this, guys, you know you got a good one.
These 2-pounders, 3-pounders, man, they are
This is probably in the
fighters.
3 range.
Yeah.
I'd like to see it in the 4 range, but
Yeah.
if you reach 19 inches, that's usually almost always 4. Boy, these things just fight so hard.
It's gorgeous.
Boy, this once they take off, it's like coming up.
Woo, woo, woo.
Man,
There you go.
that's another jumbo, isn't it? Look at that.
Beaut.
Boy, that's what I mean. Why I think we're catching Floridas. They're
Yeah.
they fight so hard. I mean, they pull them, they don't give up, you know.
Yep.
So we process this one and see what it is.
Sure, why not?
Let's look at him.
Let's do it. We got the vials.
Yeah, we got the,
We got the know-how.
boy.
So, do you have any weight?
What?
Anything, something for your weight, your scale?
Oh, I
you've
know.
got any.
The battery's probably going bad.
don't have any
We could
extra?
go by the weight on the board is the same too.
Yeah.
He's a beautiful
Yeah,
bass.
he's got a little.
17 and a half. Yeah.
17.
What is that? That sore there? Just a
I
sore?
don't know. Yeah, he must have rubbed it on something.
So we have a 17 and a half, number 4, which weighed 211.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and go with that.
Okay.
17, 1/2. Because the scale is kind of petering out, and we're going to write this as vial numbers ROOS 8. Because I don't think that, yep. Man, there. Should carry an extra battery, but, you know. Yeah, he's not as big, but, uh-oh, he got a crawdad down here.
Uh-oh.
Crawdad hitter down there.
Yeah, I see a little antenna.
Where are you going to get a crawdad this place? Yeah. So let's let this beautiful bass go, guys. This is nice. We're having some really good luck out here today. And, all right, boys, we got another one.
All right.
He's bending the rod.
Woo. He hit hard, too.
Oh, boy, this one feels like a chunk.
Feel
Of course,
better?
they all do when they're 30, 40 feet deep.
Exactly.
Holy mackerel. I think this is a little bit bigger. You see, he's acting like it. Where's he at? There's my.
It's like Christmas. You never know what you're going to get.
Oh, yeah, here
Pull
he
him
comes.
out of the deep.
Oh, that's a little bit bigger.
Yep. Nice.
Holy mackerel.
He might be that 3.
Yep, he's probably the 3, huh? Whoa,
Yeah.
man.
There's a good one.
Oh yeah, that's a chunk. Whoop.
They're all 3s
What?
because we don't have the scale working.
Yeah, yeah, they're all 3. Oh my gosh. Okay,
Nice fish.
let's do our job.
Yep.
Let's see what we got. Okay, baby. Ooh, look how thick that is.
Yeah.
Look at that.
He's a healthy.
That is a healthy
Healthy
specimen.
dude.
No crawdads. I'll bet you this is 18 and an eighth.
Woo.
So
Yeah. That's definitely.
we could try getting that scale again.
See if the scale works, yeah.
18 and 1/8. 214 and 5/8.
Yeah.
So he's close.
He's pretty close to the 3, yeah. That's
wow,
beautiful.
folks.
Yeah.
Look
Beautiful.
at that, baby. Aren't these nice, Roosevelt? I sure hope these turn out to be
I hope those are Floridas, yeah.
Florida
Yeah,
largemouth
it's gonna be
bass, 'cause
super
we're sure
interesting.
catching some nice ones.
Yeah, yeah. It's going to be
Woo.
interesting.
Well,
Get him back in the water.
thank you very much. Nice bass. There she goes. Holy mackerel, guys. High five, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Holy mackerel. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, we got to get him out here in deep water. My gosh, these things are so strong.
They're strong.
I mean, you could hardly get these in, they're so strong. They fight like catfish.
Yeah.
But they're bass. Oh my gosh, guys. Coming up. We see any color yet? It's like in the ocean. Oh yeah, there's color. Oh yeah. It's another big one.
Nice.
He ain't quitting yet, is he?
Look at him pulling.
He's pulling. Whoa. Come on, be our 4-pounder.
Yeah.
Oh, he's a good one.
Yeah.
I think this might make it. Oh my gosh. He's a good one.
Yeah. Oh, there's one underneath him. Look at him, follow him up. Look at that other one.
Look at the other one down there. Oh, he's just
look at that.
big.
Oh.
Andy, go grab your line. Oh my gosh. Throw your line in there real quick. I'll keep this one fresh. Oh my gosh, guys. These wear you out.
Yeah, they really do.
Andy, this is heavy. I mean, it's
Is that
heavy.
going to be a 4? That's your 3, maybe, huh? Oh, yeah, I think
big.
you got him.
I think we might have got him.
Got him. I think we got our 4.
It's
3
close.
anyway.
Well, he's over 3. I could tell you that. I know he's over 3.
It was amazing to see that other one come up.
He's so strong.
Yeah.
My gosh, that other one was huge, wasn't it? That was
it really
underneath
was.
you. All right.
All right.
Oh, no, this one's only 17 and a half. Just a big fish. He was just super strong.
Number 10, huh?
I'm gonna try this again. I don't think it's working. I think my battery's going. 212, 213, 7/8.
Yeah.
Look at you putting his fin up there.
Yeah,
So
he's
just clipping just a tiny little bit
just
of.
taking that
That's
edge
all
off.
that is.
I like that. Sealing that up. There it is.
Wow. And they can sample that DNA on that, huh?
Yep.
So I'm just gonna reach over and let this little girl go, Dave. All right. And let her swim away so somebody else can catch her. Okay. There she goes. This is our 4.
There's a bucket.
That's our
There's
4
the
right
bucket.
there. Oh God, look at this.
Woo.
Grab the net, Andy. He's coming up. Oh. Get him?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Woo.
That's
Ow. That's a hook.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. There you go. Good hog.
Oh, whoa, I don't want to drop him on the carpet. We don't have any bologists with us, but you know how they are.
Yeah, they're tough fish.
No, that's another 3. I'll bet you know.
Yeah, I bet he's another 18.
18. Let's see what he weighs.
18-incher, right?
Holy mackerel. 18 3/4. That's
Yeah.
our biggest.
Yeah.
Biggest?
Is that our biggest one?
The other one was 18 1/4. So this is our biggest.
It's our longest one.
11. 18 3/4. All right, here we go.
Okay.
I'll get that done, and I'll try weighing him by myself while you're doing that, and then we won't keep him out of water so long. Three, 7.
3.7. Whew. That's what we're looking for.
A little bit more. 3.7. ROOS 11.
Yeah. Good job.
All right.
Beautiful. High five.
High five, buddy.
Yeah.
All right,
Beautiful.
let's just lean over and let this guy go. Goodbye, baby. Well, there you go, baby. Swim away. He's gonna be a while with this one. Look at that.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. I had to push the button because my drag was, I don't trust it.
Yeah. But I can get another one to follow it up.
Oh yeah, that's right.
know?
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's look and see. There's the worm, 10 feet above the fish. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Hammered.
He hammered that. Look at that. That look a little bit bigger?
Looks a little bigger.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah.
I wish we were in a tournament today. Oh my gosh. Let me get my fingers. Oh my, getting a picture of it. Oh, now this is the second, one of the places I like to fish, on these big rocks and boulders here. We've got the trees up front, right there.
Yeah.
We got those. You're drop shotting, so you like that.
Yeah.
Right. Man, there's a lot of fish down there.
Oh,
I got one too.
Yep.
I got one too.
Beautiful. See?
Whoa,
Look at that.
Oh my God.
Woo, double.
I knew there was, I always come here and there's big fish here. Look at this.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, did you see that? Oh my gosh, this might be the biggest one. Nice fish. I don't know, yours is bigger than your possum. Whoa. Oh
That's
my
pretty good
gosh.
size. That is a big fish. Woo.
Dave, get the
Look at
net.
this. Look at this.
Okay, I guess
You
we're
ready?
on the land.
You ready?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You got yours?
Mine's coming in.
There he is.
He's about as big as yours.
Yeah.
He come flying out of the water, and I thought, oh my gosh. Oh jeez.
Wow. Oh. That is about the same, isn't it? Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Are you kidding me?
No, look at this. Turn around.
Sheesh.
Look at this, Dave.
That's the day right there.
Is this the way to go?
Look at that. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Beautiful Roosevelt Lake bass right there.
Hopefully these turn out to be Floridas that you stocked in here 4 years ago at a quarter inch or whatever. But man,
either way,
nice
fishing is really good. Right now.
We had a good day today, didn't we?
Yep.
Have you ever caught this many 3-pound bass, 3.5-pound bass?
Not in many, many years.
I mean, we make another stop and get out of the wind to close the show.
Yeah.
And
there it is.
And both of these must have been swimming in school or whatever, but what a way to go.
That's awesome.
Thank you, Andy
Thank you so much for bringing me along and letting me play. It's awesome.
Right, and also work, because you're going to be sending away the vials
we're doing that. You betcha.
Get tested to find out if these truly are Florida strain largemouth bass that we're catching.
That's right.
So these are the babies they threw in 4 years ago that are 3.5 pounds, and hopefully they test out.
That's right.
So let's let these little babies go. Oh man, your goes down?
Yep.
Yours was at 30 feet, you know that? Yours was 29 feet, mine was right up here in the bushes.
Was it really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I cast it right here, right in that bush right there. And
that is cool.
Folks, you're gonna like this video because we caught so many big fish today. And Dave and I want to thank you for watching our videos. It means a lot to us. I hope you learned something today. Texas rig and drop shot. We missed the topwater bite. We got here too late. But we had a fantastic show today, and I don't know, we may have to have a part 1, part 2. But anyway, we're going to come to the office when you get the results.
Yeah, and we'll sit down and we'll go through it. We're going to sit down and go
through all these fish.
Yep.
We've got all of them marked down. So we didn't mark that one down, but it's probably the same thing.
We got a solid 12, though.
Yeah, we got a solid 12, 3 to 3.5 pounders. So with that, we're saying goodbye. Thanks for watching Fishing with Gary Sept.